So you gotta take your left leg, pop it in there first. It's like
Get up high. See the planes flying around it?
Then you're gonna take your right
That's
leg.
a way different approach. Those planes flying around that area.
Your leg don't go. You can try to put your feet as far forward as down. Now lean back. Try to lean a little bit more. Hey. Sit back.
Look at the photo. Out the window. How you doing?
Good.
All right, what's your name?
I'm Jim.
Jim, what's your last name?
Smith.
All right, Jim, where you living?
We're living in Wisconsin, but staying here for the month.
Oh, cool. Welcome to Las Vegas.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm Donnie. I'll be your driver today, all right?
All right.
Is this your first time?
First time here.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, we've my wife and I have both driven a little bit.
All right.
Done some autocrossing and things like that.
Cool. All right, well, you ready to go?
I'm ready. Give her.
You doing 3 laps?
Huh?
You doing 3?
Yeah.
3 laps?
Unless you want to do more.
All right.
That was good.
Cool, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure.
I'm gonna get your picture. Go to the truck. I'm gonna take your picture.
All right.
Go ahead and lean forward. I'm gonna get the hose off you. And you can scoot your hips forward and come out head first.
See if the old guy can get out.
All right.
But if you'll back this up and put it in the drive line, or in the...
What side?
Sucks getting old.
There you go, your head's out, and then there's a lip on top of this. There you
Inside or
go.
outside?